Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal account to your Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your PayPal account to your Rocket Money app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's open up our Rocket Money app. Next, click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Linked Accounts. And then from here, click on Add Institution. Now, on this page here, you're going to see a list of your banks. You want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then find PayPal.com. Once you click on PayPal.com, this software called Plaid is going to open up. Plaid is used to actually connect PayPal with Rocket Money. It connects it in seconds, and it also keeps your data safe. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your PayPal account to your Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.